Mandela, the soul of South Africa, heart of your ambitions, shedding tears within for the native land nation, burdened with racial sin. 27 lifeless years spent between the walls of cell, ever balancing on hopes and fears, remembering all to riots who fell. The sun heard your prayers today to fill the nation with glow, fragrance of freedom in every ray. Sowed the seeds, a tree to grow, struggling through nonviolent norms, facing the arms only with words, standing like the rock amidst storms, wicked around, fleeing like cowards. Gandhi, you are apostle of peace, the soul of South Africa, incarnation. Philosophically, you are the Aristotle of Greece. Love for all is your soul contention. Freedom is here, the ultimate desire, born out of struggle and sorrow. Let your rule be impartial and fair, the same today, the same tomorrow. Soaring heights of freedom from coup, a precedent of a bloodless coup. Years spent between the walls of cell, ever balancing on hopes and fears, remembering all to riots who fell. Love for all is your soul contention. Freedom is here, the ultimate desire, born out of struggle and sorrow. Let your rule be impartial and fair, the same today, the same tomorrow. Soaring heights of freedom from coup, a precedent of a bloodless coup. 27 lifeless years spent between the walls of cell, ever balancing on hopes and fears, remembering all to riots who fell.